What's up guys, it's Julio here from RP Films, and one of the main questions we've been getting and concerns we've been getting, which we've been actively trying to solve as well, is how do we prevent peeling on the front and back windshield? And is this a film issue, an insulation issue, or a climate temperature issue? So there's a couple different things that can help address and solve this problem. Let me kind of explain to you why it happens and how to solve it. But the peeling, if you guys haven't experienced this yet, is when you go and you do your installation like normal and you experience peeling on the side, the top, the bottom, and the other side. This only happens when you do back and front windshields. So let's address how to solve it. So step number one is to do a solution like this, where you want to do water, and you want to go to about 70% of the bottle to be water and 30% to be alcohol. You could also just use alcohol as well, but the goal is we're going to prep the corners and the edges of the front and back windshield with alcohol and a scrubby pad. Try to use a scrubby pad that doesn't have any soap if you can, but it's not a huge deal if you use one that you currently use in your shop. The second thing is we only recommend a few products right now. We only recommend this one, which is my favorite. It is the 7th generation Clean with Purpose. We use the lavender. This has been an extremely useful tool in our shop, and until recently we didn't even know this was an option. But this is what we are using now for our side window installations and our front windshield and back windshield installations. You do not want to add alcohol to your soap solution. It'll tack too quick and you need time for it to actually to make adjustments, to move the film around, so do not add alcohol. Those two steps right there are going to solve about 99% of the problems out there. So use alcohol to prep the edges and use this to install, and you'll have a much better experience with our product. So you can find this on Amazon. I'll put a link below to the pack that we get. And just a helpful tip, use lavender, because lavender has side benefits. It's relaxing. I use it when I sleep, and customers will enjoy the smell as well. And while you're working, a little bit of stress calming smell might be useful, especially when you're doing those hard installations. So that's it guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Click the link to go find this product in Amazon, and I'll see you guys in the next video.